Hello, friends. In this lockdown period, due to COVID 19, when physical libraries closed, libraries took up the challenge that every user should become information literate in digital era to use the digital resources optimum. Now I am going to talk about information literacy in digital era, need of the hour. Information literacy is a lifelong learning process. As for American Library Association, information literacy is defined as a set of abilities that allow individuals to recognize when information is needed and to locate the required information, evaluate it and use it effectively. With the assistance and guidance given by the library during information literacy program at regular interval, user become self-directed learner. Now there are various types of users like junior college students, undergraduate, postgraduate students, research scholars, PhD, and the stakeholders. All the faculty members of the institution and the stakeholders are also required information. The need of information is depend as per the type of user. Due to information explosion in digital era, users are confused and not able to understand where to search desired information. Different digital devices are available with the user to get the digital information. Digital information can be accessed online without going to the library physically. You can access databases, ebooks subscribed by the library. Social media can be accessed anytime, anywhere with the smartphone. WebOpic, that is library catalog, can check via library website. Apart from that, lot of contents are available in open source. Digital literacy is the capability to use digital technology and knowing when and how to use it. Multimedia are used in teaching learning process. Digital literacy also includes a user having knowledge about to use technology that are appropriate to their needs. Looking at the online everywhere, we should look into the cyber security to protect our data. We always stick to the smartphone all the time doing some or the other activity. Let's make use of smartphones for teaching learning. Thousands of MOOC courses are available to update your knowledge. Looking at the positive side of social media provides lot of valuable information. Booklet app gives a summary of book every week. You can read or listen audiobooks. E-Pathshala and EPG Pathshala. This is an online platform of text 1 to 12 and for postgraduate students respectively as per syllabus. In this lockdown period, lot of webinars are going on different topics. You can join the webinar to listen to experts. NDLI, that is National Digital Library of India app, provides book, question papers, articles on almost all subjects and competitive exams. NPTEL gives all science, engineering and technology stuff by IITians. At present, lot of lecture series are going online. If you want to attend, please check the schedule on NPTEL website. We all can access mail through mobile and of course WhatsApp, nobody live without it, without this. There are a lot of audio, video making apps and materials available to make you more techno savvy. For faculty and research scholars, use Shodh Ganga for electronic thesis and dissertations, available for full text. Google Scholar is for scholarly articles. You can set Google alerts of your area of research that will provide latest articles automatically on your mail. Vidwan is the premier database of profiles of researchers, scientists, and other faculty members working at leading academic institutions in India. You all can create your profile during this period. That gives the online visibility of faculty members. Scopus is abstract and citation database of peer-reviewed journals in top-level subject fields. Researchers can create their profile in Scopus. ResearchGate, an academia and social networking site to share research and publication online. Delnet and Enlist is subscribed database that provides large number of free full text journals, ebooks, articles, reports, and annual reviews. Faculty members can create lot of online content useful for research, text, teaching and learning. Also share class-wise study material assignment to students, organize webinar and save the content for future reference. So dear learners, apart from all digital activities, you can spend some time on play online games, quiz and puzzles that increases your concentrations. Fulfill your hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, dancing, cooking, etc. Do household work which is at present we all have to do compulsory. Do meditation or pranayam every day for spiritual and mental well-being. Yoga for physical fitness. Keep up to date is a real challenge in digital era. Limit yourself to use the technology smartly. When to use, where to use and how to use. You have to be smart enough that when to use, where to use and how to use the technology. Digital resources are unutilized if users are unaware of how to use it. Information digital literacy is must at every level throughout the education period. In the end, I must quote here written by Alvin Toffler: the illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Thank you.